Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with a black box. This is a Shirogorov knives F95 NL crazy micarta inlays, but hey, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying this kind of stuff that I'm bringing to you guys, because that's a huge help for me and it's just gonna keep me bringing some new toys to share with you. And we're gonna just quickly check this guy out, LMAX crazy micarta OG F95 NL from Shirogorov, which usually comes with the classic black box, black cloth, and the certificate of authenticity with some specs in it. But check this guy out. Nice crazy micarta going on, of course, on both sides. It's the F95 NL by Shirogorov and has an overall length of 22 centimeters with a 10 centimeters long blade and 12.5 centimeters. So translated into imperial, this guy would be 8 inches overall in length, 3.9-inch long blade almost, and 5-inch long blade, so handle, sorry. So this is a classic titanium frame lock, Shirogorov classic. I mean, this is the F95, guys. It's just like a staple in the Shirogorov lineup. It's a fantastic one for sure. Full size, full weight. There's no internal skeletonization. This is not a 3 bears. In fact, this guy is, let's say, the entry level of Shirogorov knives. It's not a cheap one because this guy is going to be $700, but there's no internal milling. There's a single row bearing system employed in this one. You've got a pretty cool looking blade. In this case, you've got LMAX steel, and these are the main features of this beautiful titanium frame lock. But check out this crazy micarta inlay going on over here. Nice and smooth. Might be slippery for some, but it's gorgeous to look at. Would you look at that? I mean, it's crazy. In fact, that's why they call it crazy micarta. There's some greens, there's some blues, some oranges, some maroon. It's a really, really interesting inlay for sure. This is a classic Shirogorov made in Russia. It's a good one, guys. I mean, the sound, nice and clacky, clinky. Really, really cool sound. The grip is just phenomenal. Zero hot spots. You got a tip-up carry only titanium pocket clip, nicely milled, beautifully chamfered, sterile looking blade on this side. You're gonna see just the LMAX engraved on the back. Nice full flat grind, stone washed blade, drop point, no jimping, no fuss. The action, even if this is like an entry-level Shirogorov on single row bearings, it's just like that. So, yeah, just like this. Nothing wrong with single row bearings on Shirogorov. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.